Hello everyone, today I will show you how to reset your GameSir Nova Lite controller. First you need your GameSir Nova Lite controller in front of you. Before you start, make sure the controller is turned off. If it is on, you can turn it off by pressing and holding the home button for about 5 seconds. Look at the back of the controller. There is a tiny hole. Inside that hole is the physical reset button on the controller. This is a standard reset method used when the buttons stop responding or the controller freezes. Now take a small pointed tool. You can use a paperclip, a SIM card tool, or a needle. Be careful. We just need enough pressure to press the small reset button. Do not push too hard. Gently insert your tool into the hole on the back of the controller. Press and hold the reset button inside for about 3 to 5 seconds. You might see the lights go off or blink. This means the controller is resetting. After you have pressed it, release the reset button and wait a few seconds. The controller should power off completely if it was frozen. Now the controller has been reset at the hardware level. That is how you reset the GameSir Nova Lite controller. Thanks for watching.